Why do we need to look at the underlying asset quality? I mean, it's the responsibility of the fund manager to ensure it is good, right?
I wish I could agree with you and say that leave everything to the fund manager. I am reminded of a Sufi story. Once there was a master who was traveling with one of his disciples. In the night, they arrived at a caravanserai. It was the job of the disciple to take care of the camel. But instead of tying it, he left it loose and started praying to God, saying, "Please God, look after the camel," and promptly fell asleep. In the morning, the camel was gone. And when the master came and asked, "What happened to the camel? Where is the camel?" The disciple said, "I don't know. You ask God. I had told God to take care of the camel. And I was very tired, so I don't know. I slept. Now don't look at me with anger, because you have only taught me to trust God. So I trusted." The master said, "Trust in God, but tether your camel first, because God has no other hands than yours." This is exactly our situation in mutual fund investing. The camel is the money and God is the mutual fund manager. And the solution also the same. Tether the camel first and then trust in God. So what is tethering the camel in mutual fund investing? It is looking at the quality of the underlying assets, because that is what gives us the returns. However, it cannot guarantee our returns. Hence, we have to trust that the mutual fund manager will do many things right, including buying these assets at the right price to ensure our returns. This is what we look at when we look at the second parameter, returns. However, there is one important difference between the story and real life mutual fund investing, and that is that fund managers are not gods. They cannot always predict or manage uncertain futures that happen in investing. And it will be very naive of us and foolish of us if we are going to believe that they are always looking at our best interest.
So what do we do?
Tether your camel once again, which is review the investments that you have made in the mutual fund from time to time.